If you've accidentally deleted a set of photos or videos from your Photos app and you think they're gone forever, you're wrong. They're not gone forever, at least possibly not yet. When you delete a photo or video from your Photos list in your Photo app, it goes to a trash can for 30 days. Within that 30-day time span, you can recover your photos and videos. On this list on the left-hand side, if you don't see it, let me just close that right there. Tap on this icon. That'll open the side panel. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see recently deleted. Unlock that with your Face ID or with your PIN code. I'm going to go for PIN code. It's more convenient than moving the iPad around to face me. Now we have a list of recently deleted items. There are 4 in this case. We can tap on select. We can select each of them. And then in the bottom right here, these 3 dots, we can tap on recover. Depending which version of iPad OS you're running, these might be at the top, they might be at the bottom, there might be a stack icon, but somewhere in this vicinity, you're going to find a button that resembles 3 dots or some kind of button you can take action on. When you tap it, you're going to be able to recover or delete. I'm going to tap on recover. You want to make sure that there's no fat finger issues, not tapping the wrong one by accident, because if you do press delete, they're actually gone forever. So I'm going to recover these 4 items, and now they're back into our photo feed. In here, just like the other photos and videos. And if you wanted to free up space on your iPad, you'd actually do the opposite. You would delete those from your recently deleted. There are 4 other places where there's recently deleted items that you can delete immediately to free up more space on your iPad. Check out this video right here where I walk you through every one of them, plus some bonus stuff for freeing up even more space on your device. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.